Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, your host Aiza Freelancing Wali, and I am a level 1 student at Rahan School, Islamabad campus. So, viewers, this is my new Maya. So, new Maya topic is what what lessons can we learn from past pandemics? So, let's start today our Maya session. I will calling the Maya. Please wait.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello Maya, how are you? Can you hear me clear?
Hi there. Yeah, I can hear you perfectly. I'm doing well, thanks. What's on your mind today?
So, Maya, today my topic is what lessons can we learn from past pandemics?
A really interesting and important topic. I'm ready when you are.
Okay, Maya. So, my first question is from you. Please tell me what is a pandemic? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
A pandemic is basically when a new disease spreads quickly across a large area, usually multiple countries or even continents. It's not just about how many people get sick, but also how widespread and fast the spread happens. It differs from an epidemic, which is confined to a smaller area. So think widespread, rapid spread of something new. That's a pandemic.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what was the Black Death? Please give me answer.
The Black Death was one of history's deadliest pandemics. It happened in the mid 1300s in Europe. It was caused by a bacteria spread by fleas on rats, so it spread super quickly through trade routes. Estimates say it killed 30 to 60% of Europe's population. What's chilling is that they didn't understand how it spread at the time, so they had no real way to stop it. Led to massive social and economic upheaval. What else were you wondering about the Black Death, or should we move on to another pandemic?
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, when did the Spanish flu happen? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
The Spanish flu happened between 1918 and 1920, actually right at the end of and after World War One. Unlike typical flu seasons that hit the very young and old heart, one affected an estimated 500 million people worldwide and caused 50 to 100 million deaths. The conditions of wartime, crowded living, troop movements probably helped it spread. And back then, they didn't have the medical knowledge to treat it effectively.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, wait, please. Yeah.
Sure, I'll wait. No rush.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your
I'm
waiting.
still here when you're ready. You're welcome. No problem at all.
Okay, so Maya, my question is from you. Um, Please tell me, what is, sorry, what caused COVID-19? How do disease spread quickly? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
COVID 19 was caused by a new type of coronavirus called SARS CoV 2. It likely originated in bats and jumped to humans through an intermediate animal host. As for how diseases spread quickly, it's usually a combo of things. Close contact with infected people is a big one, through droplets when we cough or talk. Then there's contaminated surfaces. If someone touches something with the virus on it and then touches their face. Travel also plays a huge role, especially air travel, because it can move viruses around the world super fast.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why is hand washing important?
Hand washing is important because it physically removes viruses and bacteria from your hands. We touch so many surfaces throughout the day that are covered in germs, and then we touch our faces, eyes, nose, mouth, which lets those germs get into our bodies. Washing with soap and water breaks down those germs so they can't make us sick. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to slow down the spread of infection.
Okay, so Maya, thank you so much for your nice answer. So my next question is from you. Please tell me, how do vaccines help prevent diseases? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your answer.
Vaccines work by teaching your immune system how to fight off a specific disease without actually getting sick from it. Basically, they show your body a harmless version of the germ or just part of it. That triggers your immune system to create antibodies, kind of like little soldiers that can recognize and attack the real germ if you're ever exposed to it. So when you actually encounter the real disease, your body is already prepared and can fight it off quickly and effectively, often preventing you from getting seriously ill.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why is medical research important? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your answer.
Medical research is basically how we figure out how diseases work and how to beat them. It's how we develop new treatments, new vaccines, like we just talked about, and better ways to diagnose and prevent illnesses. Things that seem obvious to us now, like antibiotics to fight bacterial infections or surgeries to repair organs, all came from medical research. Without it, we'd still be in the dark about so many health issues and wouldn't have the tools we rely on today.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what role do doctors play during pandemics? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
During a pandemic, doctors become the frontline heroes. They're on the front lines treating sick patients, obviously, but their role is way bigger than that. They help track the spread of the disease, figure out how it's changing, and develop treatment protocols. They're also really important for communicating accurate information to the public and battling misinformation. Plus, the stress on them and healthcare systems during pandemics is huge, so they have to adapt quickly and make incredibly difficult decisions with limited resources.
Okay, Maya. So my next question is from you. Please tell me, how can countries work together during a health crisis? Chris, please give me answer, Maya.
That's a really important question. International collaboration is absolutely critical during health crises. It means sharing information about the virus, coordinating travel restrictions to slow spread, pooling resources for research and vaccine development, and making sure that testing and treatments get to countries that need them most. Also means things like coordinating supply chains for PPE and other medical equipment. When countries work together, it's way more effective than everyone trying to handle it on their own.
Okay, so that's great answer, Maya. My next question is from you. Please tell me, why is early detection of diseases important? Please give me answer. I am waiting for your answer.
Early detection of diseases is super important because the sooner you find something, the easier it is to treat. Like with COVID-19, if you catch it early, you're more likely to have mild symptoms and recover better. For a lot of diseases, the body has more time to fight it off effectively when treatment starts early. Plus, early detection can help stop outbreaks by tracking down contacts quickly and preventing further spread.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does travel affect diseases spread? Please give me answer.
Travel definitely plays a huge role in how diseases spread. When people travel, especially internationally, they can carry viruses or bacteria to places they've never been before, or vice versa, bring something back from where they traveled. That's how outbreaks can jump between countries really quickly. With modern travel being so easy and common, things can really escalate fast. Think back to COVID-19. Travel restrictions became critical to containing the pandemic.
Okay, sorry, Maya, please, thank you so much for your nice answer. So my next question is from you. What safety measure reduce infection? Please give me answer, Maya.
Got it. So things like wearing masks, keeping physical distance, and washing hands, those are all safety measures that help reduce infection spread. Wearing a mask catches droplets when someone coughs or talks. Distance keeps you from breathing in those droplets directly, and hand washing physically removes germs. Plus, and ventilation helps clear the air so less virus hangs around. It's about breaking those chains of transmission.
Okay, Maya. So my next question is from you. Please tell me why is quarantine something nursery? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting.
You mean quarantine, right? Quarantine is basically separating people who have been exposed to a contagious disease from others. It's a way to see if they get sick so they don't spread it to other people if they're contagious but don't have symptoms yet. Historically, it comes from Italian merchant ships isolating people who might have the plague centuries ago. It helps protect the community by containing outbreaks.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me how can schools stay safe during pandemics? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for you.
Go ahead, I'm listening. Schools staying safe during a pandemic means a lot of different things. Some examples: distancing in classrooms when possible, frequent cleaning of surfaces, good ventilation to keep air circulating, requiring or encouraging mask wearing, and having clear procedures for isolating kids who show symptoms. They might also do testing to help track cases, or even remote learning options when things get really bad. Basically, it's about creating layers of protection to minimize spread and keep everyone safe.
Your nice answer. My next question is from you. Please tell me why is social distancing? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
Social distancing basically puts physical space between people to slow the spread of viruses. When you're farther apart, usually at least 6 feet, it makes it harder for droplets containing the virus to travel from one person to another. Fewer close contacts mean fewer opportunities for transmission, which can slow down or even stop outbreaks. It's like putting a barrier in the way of germs trying to hop from person to person.
Okay, so Maya, please wait. Yes, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me why should people stay calm during a pandemic? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting.
You mean calm, right? Staying calm during a pandemic is really important because panic can make everything worse. When people panic, they might rush to get supplies, spread misinformation, or make risky decisions that actually increase the spread of the virus. Staying calm lets you focus on protecting yourself and your family, following health recommendations, and supporting each other. Also, panicking is stressful, and it's better for your mental health to stay grounded and realistic.
Okay, Maya. So my next question is from you. Please tell me how does ministry formation affect public health? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your answer.
Probably mean misinformation, not ministry formation. Misinformation can be incredibly damaging to public health when people believe false claims about a disease or how to prevent it. They might avoid getting vaccinated, use unproven treatments, or dismiss public health guidelines altogether. That increases the risk of getting sick and spreading it to others. Correct information and clear communication are vital during pandemics to combat misinformation.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me why is teamwork important in emergencies?
Teamwork in emergencies is critical because no single person can handle everything alone. You need doctors, nurses, public health workers, government officials, researchers, and community organizations all coordinating their efforts. Everyone has different skills and roles to play. Good teamwork means clear communication, shared decision making, and people supporting each other so they can respond quickly and effectively. A coordinated response is way more effective than everyone working in silos.
Thank you so much for your nice answer. My next question is from you. Please tell me how can communities support vulnerable people? Please give me answer, Maya.
Community support is huge for vulnerable people during emergencies because they're often the most at risk. Things like food delivery services for people who can't leave their homes, checking on elderly neighbors, donating to food banks, and supporting local shelters help ensure everyone has access to basic needs. Simply offering emotional support, checking in on each other makes a big difference. When communities work together, everyone's better protected.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what lessons did we learn about hygiene? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for you.
You probably mean hygiene, right? One of the biggest lessons we learned from pandemics is how important basic hygiene really is. Things like hand washing, covering your cough, and staying home when you're sick. These are really simple behaviors that can dramatically slow down the spread of germs. Pandemics force people to think about their hygiene habits more seriously, and that's likely to stick with us.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me why are hospitals important during pandemics? Please give me answer, Maya.
I think you mean pandemics. The hospitals are absolutely essential during pandemics. They're where patients get treatment, of course, but they also do a lot more than that. Hospitals track the disease, research new treatments, and often lead public health education efforts during a pandemic. They can quickly become overwhelmed, so hospitals need the support, supplies, and staffing to provide the care. Basically, they're on the front lines of containment and are crucial to saving lives.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me how do scientists create vaccines? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
Creating vaccines is complex, but generally goes like this. First, scientists figure out what part of the virus or bacteria causes the illness, what gets the immune system going. Then they create something that mimics that part, whether it's a weakened or inactive version of the pathogen, parts of it, like proteins, or even instructions for your body to make it. This teaching version triggers your immune system without actually making you sick. Then your body builds up defenses against it. So when the real thing shows up, you're ready to fight it off. Different vaccine types do this in slightly different ways, but that's the basic idea.
Okay, Maya. So my next question is from you. Please tell me what is the importance of wearing mask? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your answer.
Wearing a mask is important because it creates a physical barrier that helps block droplets from spreading when you talk, cough, or even breathe. Think of it like a gatekeeper. It helps contain respiratory droplets that might contain a virus. That protects you from breathing in infected droplets. And more importantly, it protects others if you happen to be carrying the virus but don't know it yet.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from last question is from you. Please tell me how can governments prepare for future pandemics? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for you.
Governments can prepare in several ways. They need better public health infrastructure, stronger labs, more trained staff, better disease monitoring systems. They need to invest in research and development of vaccines and treatments. Having stockpile of PPE and medical supplies is essential, and coordinated plans to quickly scale up manufacturing. Also, international collaboration is key, as is clear communication strategies to combat misinformation. Lastly, they need to address health inequities to protect the most vulnerable populations. Preparation isn't just technical, it's about societal readiness.
So my interview time is ended. So please give me last advice for beginners and my audience. Please give me last advice.
Anabia, you've clearly spent time thinking deeply about pandemics and public health. That much is obvious from these questions. Walk into your interview knowing you've put in the work and let that confidence shine through. They're going to notice that intellectual curiosity and that passion you clearly have for understanding the world around you. Don't underestimate the value of what you already know. History, culture, communication, all of that matters here. Trust your instincts, answer honestly, and don't be afraid to say if you need a moment to think through something. This stuff is complex. Authenticity goes a long way. So be yourself, the thoughtful, inquisitive person you've been showing me today. And finally, good luck. You've got this.
You're nice. So, viewers, this is my Maya. I hope you like it. I'm in next video, next day, next Maya. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad, Rahan School, Paindabad. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.